Hello, today we will be discussing term of protection under copyright law. So, what is the term of protection under copyright? The general rule is that copyright lasts for lifetime of the author plus 60 years. That means in the case of original literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works, the 60-year period is counted from the year following the death of the author. Okay, so the copyright protection will be granted for a period of 60 years, which is counted from the year following the death of the author. And this is dealt under the Indian Copyright Act of 1957, and specifically under that act, the provision is dealt under Chapter 3, Sections 22 to 29. So first we will move on to the first point, that is Section 22, which deals with the term of protection for published literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works. According to that section, it says that for published literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works, the term of protection is lifetime of the author plus 60 years. And in case of joint authorship, the reference will be given to the author who dies last. So from his death, the 60 years period will be counted. Then in case of anonymous and pseudonymous works, which includes literary, dramatic, musical or artistic works other than photograph, the period of protection, that is the term of protection, is 60 years following the year in which the work is first published, and it has been dealt under Section 23 of the Copyright Act. Then with regard to posthumous work means the work which is published after the death of the author. Okay, and this provision is dealt under Section 24. As per the section, the period is the term of protection with regard to posthumous work is granted for a period of 60 years from the date of publication after the death of the author. Then moving on to Section 26, wherein the term of protection of cinematograph films has been dealt. It says that the term of protection for cinematograph films, it is 60 years from the publication of the film. Then Section 27, which deals with the term of protection of sound recordings, it subsists until 60 years from the publication of the sound recording. And with regard to governmental works, the term of protection is 60 years from its publication. It has been dealt under Section 28 of the Indian Copyright Act. Then with regard to works of public undertakings, the term is 60 years from its publication, and it is dealt under Section 28A of the Indian Copyright Act. Then works of international organizations, the term is 60 years from the publication of the work, and it is dealt under Section 29 of the Indian Copyright Act. Okay, and one thing I would like to say is that the term of copyright in various categories of work, which has been discussed above, was 50 years prior to 1992, and by the Amendment Act of 1992, the term was raised to 60 years. Okay, and 60 years will be reckoned from the beginning of the calendar year next following the year in which the work is first published. So with this I conclude. Thank you.